கொண்டு ஈராறு மாதமும் உண்மையாய் உழைத்து ஊழல் தவிர்த்து எளிமை கொண்டு ஏணியாய் நின்று ஐயம் தவிர்த்து ஒழுக்கம் கற்பித்து ஓதுவதில் சிறந்து ஔடதம் தவிர்த்து தன்னை மெழுகென உருக்கி மாணவர்களின் வாழ்வு வெளிச்சம் பெற நானும் உழைத்து எட்டிக்காயான கருத்துக்களையும் ஏலக்காயாய் மணக்கச் செய்யும் எனது அருமையான ஆசிரியர் பேரினமே, உங்களுக்கு அருமையான ஆசிரியர் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். 1000 உறவுகள் இருப்பினும் எங்களை உயர்ந்த நிலைக்கு உயர்த்திய ஆசிரியர் உறவுக்கே என் முதற்கண் வணக்கம். ஆசிரியர்களே, உங்கள் ஆசீர்வாதம் இல்லாவிட்டால் நாங்கள் கடிதம் எழுதிக் கொண்டிருக்க மாட்டோம், ஏதோ ஒரு பலசரக்கு கடையில் பொட்டணம் அடித்துக் கொண்டிருப்போம். ஆசிரியர்களே, நீங்கள் இல்லை என்றால் நாங்கள் ரசிக்கவும் ஆகியிருக்க மாட்டோம், மற்றவர்கள் ரசிக்கும்படியும் ஆகியிருக்க மாட்டோம். ஆசிரியர்களே, உங்கள் சிதை கொண்ட எண்ணங்கள் எல்லாம் தங்க நீரா அரையானாலும் நிறையானாலும் அழுகுவதே அல்ல. நீங்கள் ஒரு நிலை கண்ணாடி, முகத்தை மட்டும் காட்டுவதல்ல, அகத்தையும் காட்டுகிறீர்கள். இந்த உலகமோ ஒரு நூல் நிலையோ, அதில் நாங்கள் மாணவர்களோ ஒரு புத்தகம். எந்த வரிசையில் இடம் பெறுகிறார்கள் என்பது அவரவர்கள் குணத்தையே சாரும். ஆசிரியர்களே, நீங்கள் நல்ல கனவுகளை உருவாக்குகிறீர்கள். நல்ல கனவுகள் நல்ல எண்ணங்களை உருவாக்குகிறது. நல்ல எண்ணங்கள் நல்ல செயலுக்கு வித்திடுகிறது. அதுபோல நல்ல செயலால் உருவாக்கப்பட்டவர்கள் மாணவர்கள் நாங்கள். உங்களை சித்திரமாக செதுக்கிய ஆசிரியர் நீங்கள். உங்களுக்கு எனது அன்பான ஆசிரியர் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நாம் இருந்து முன்னோர் நான் சுமந்து அந்தி பகலவனை ஆதரித்து தொந்தி சிறையை பெற்றிருந்த பாரத் மாதா கி
A scintillating afternoon to one and all present here. We, the principal, teachers and students, the young talents of KV Gandhigram, are here to mark this auspicious day, that is the Teachers' Day. Let's start this special day by remembering our God. Prayer is talking to the Almighty, the creator of whole universe. So, let's begin the great day with the presence of God. Mr. Subhashchan and his team, please.
Ya Devi Sarvabhutesu Vidyarupen Sansitha Namo Namo Tase Namo Namah अमृत मंत्र नव प्रिय स्वतंत्र रव अमृत मंत्र नव भारत में भर दे वीणा वादिनी वर दे वीणा वादिनी वर दे काट अंध उर के बंधन स्तर पर ब्रह्मा ज्योतिर्मय निर्झर काट अंध उर के बंधन स्तर पर ब्रह्मा ज्योतिर्मय निर्झर कलुष भेद तम हर प्रकाश भरे कलुष भेद तम हर प्रकाश भरे जगमग जग कर दे वीणा वादिनी वर दे वीणा वादिनी वर दे नवगति नवलय ताल छंद नव नवल कंठ नव जलध मंद्र नव नवगति नवलय ताल छंद नव नवल कंठ नव जलध मंद्र नव नव के नव बिहग बिंद को नव नव के नव बिहग बिंद को नव पर नव सर दे वीणा वादिनी वर दे वीणा वादिनी वर दे
Symbol of brightness and prosperity, as sunlight expels the darkness of mind. Similarly, blessings bring in our life prosperity and happiness. To make this day a blessed one and for seeking the choicest blessings of the Almighty, I invite Mr. Mandeshwaran, Senior PGT, accompanied by Mr. Pandiyarajan, PGT Bio, Mr. Ramesh, Mrs. Amuda, and Mr. Jaskaran Singh to light the lamp. Teachers, please.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
To a respectable personality is an integral part of the Indian culture and tradition. It's an act of humbling oneself before an exalted soul. So, to respect and honor the great teacher, Dr. Radhakrishnan. Let me call upon Mr. Maleshwaran, Senior PGT, to garland the hero of the day, Dr. Radhakrishnan, followed by all the teachers to pay tribute to the great personality.
है ज्ञान का सूनापन मेरे इस जीवन में, अंधकार भगा दो तुम, प्रकाश भरो मन में, मुझे दास बनाओ अपना, मुझे ज्ञान से तुम भर दो, चरणों में लेकर तुम जीवन में ज्योति भर दो, शीशे तुम बना कर मुझे जीवन ये सफल कर दो, चरणों में लेकर तुम जीवन में ज्योति भर दो। ना ज्ञान की सीमा हो, ना उम्र का हो बंधन, जब शीश बने कोई तो कर ले बस ये प्रण, गुरु ज्ञान सागर हो तुम, जीवन ये सफल कर दो, चरणों में लेकर तुम जीवन में ज्योति भर दो, मुझे दास बना अपना, मुझे ज्ञान से तुम भर दो, चरणों में लेकर तुम।
Thank you, sir, and other teachers. A teacher takes a hand, opens the mind, and touches a heart. Here is one such teacher, Mr. Bromley Thomas, PGT Chemistry, to give a speech on this special day. Mr. Bromley Thomas, please.
Respected Principal, dear teachers, good afternoon. First of all, I convey my Teachers' Day wishes to all dear teachers who have been taking so much efforts to teach and take care of our students even in this pandemic situation. I pay obeisance to the soul of great teacher, philosopher, and former President of India, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, on his 132nd birthday. I thank Almighty for giving me an opportunity to be a part of this great organization and to celebrate Teachers' Day along with the teachers of KV Gandhigram Dindigal. Let me quote the great words of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. The teacher occupies an important place in society and plays a key role of transmitting the intellectual tradition and teaching skill from one generation to the other, and helps in keeping the cultural lamp burning. I repeat, helps in keeping the cultural lamp burning. We teachers are carrying the lamp and enlightening the lamp of children to lighten the world. The word Guru is derived from two words, Gu, which means darkness, and Ru, which means light. This means a teacher who brings students from darkness into light of knowledge. 5th September has been celebrated as Teachers' Day since 1962. I think this is the first time we are celebrating Teachers' Day in a virtual platform, but this way of celebration is not to the core because we are really missing our students in this occasion. The destiny of India is being shaped in her classroom, so we can't compromise the academics of our students. To shape the future, steadfastly teachers continue to teach every day. I appreciate the steps taken by the ministry level and organization along with the teachers to shape the destiny of our Mother India even in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. We teachers are here not letting this pandemic affect our academics. The voice of knowledge booming the classroom, now moving to the voice all from blackboard to the computer screen, picking up the chalk to picking up the video classes, from correcting homework to uploading the right answers, etc. We teachers took the challenge of conducting the classes on virtual platform, for which we have never been trained. We tried in different ways to make sure the maximum attendance of our students as well. In this occasion, I want to say one thing: dear teachers, be a strong scaffolder to promote our children from a zone of active development or ZAD to a zone of proximal development. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A teacher's purpose is not to create students in his or her own image, but to develop students who can create their own images. And here is one such student, Miss Nandini Raji from class 10 to enlighten us with her speech. नंदिनी राजी प्लीज।
माता पिता की मूरत है गुरु, इस महामारी में भगवान की सूरत है गुरु। आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं टी नंदिनी राजी कक्षा 10वीं अ से यहाँ प्रस्तुत सभी शिक्षकों और मेरे प्रिय साथियों सबको सुप्रभात। तो जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, आज 5 सितंबर है और हर वर्ष हम इस दिन शिक्षक दिवस मनाते हैं। इसीलिए यहाँ प्रस्तुत सभी शिक्षकों को मेरी तरफ से शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। वैसे तो शिक्षक दिवस हर वर्ष ही बहुत महत्वपूर्ण और विशेष होता है, किंतु इस वर्ष शिक्षक दिवस कुछ ज्यादा ही महत्वपूर्ण और विशेष है, क्योंकि इस वर्ष शिक्षकों का बलिदान, योगदान और उनका परिश्रम कुछ ज्यादा ही बढ़ गया है। तो इस शुभ अवसर पर मुझे अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करने का ये अवसर मिला है, इसके लिए मैं आप सभी की आभारी हूँ। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, कोविड-19 का लॉकडाउन चल रहा है और इस महामारी के कारण सभी शिक्षण संस्थान बंद हैं और शिक्षक ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पर सोशल मीडिया के द्वारा हमें पढ़ा रहे हैं। ऐसे पढ़ाने के लिए, इस नई तरीके को अपनाने के लिए हमारे शिक्षक कई नई रचनाएं रच रहे हैं, जैसे पीडीएफ, पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन और वीडियोस जैसे वीडियो लेसन्स। सो इन सब नई रचनाओं को रचने के लिए उन्हें बहुत परिश्रम करना पड़ रहा है। वो इसमें व्यस्त हो गए हैं, दिन रात को एक बना रहे हैं, वो इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं, इतना परिश्रम कर रहे हैं। क्यों? केवल और केवल हमारी सुविधाओं के लिए, केवल और केवल हमारी सुविधाओं, हमारे सुख को ध्यान में रखते हुए, ताकि हम अच्छे से समझें, अच्छे अंक लाएं और अच्छे से पढ़ें। तो क्या हमारा फर्ज नहीं बनता कि हम उनका साथ दें, उनका सहयोग करें? किंतु क्या हम सच में ये कर रहे हैं? ठीक तरीके से तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं। हमारे शिक्षक इतना परिश्रम कर रहे हैं जितना उन्होंने पहले कभी ना किया हो। ये सब कुछ हम सबके लिए नया है, क्योंकि समय बदल गया है। किंतु क्या हम उनका सहयोग कर रहे हैं? नहीं। तो ये हमारा फर्ज है कि आज के दिन, आज के शुभ अवसर पर अपने शिक्षक के योगदान, परिश्रम और मेहनत का आदर और सम्मान करें और ये प्रण लें कि आज से हम अपने शिक्षकों का पूरा सहयोग करेंगे, उनका मान करेंगे, सम्मान करेंगे और उनका साथ देंगे। तो चलिए आज एक और चीज भी कर लेते हैं, पूरे दिल से अपने शिक्षकों का शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। इसी अवसर पर मैं अपने सभी शिक्षकों का शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ, उनका धन्यवाद करती हूँ और एक बार फिर उन सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Nandini. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite imagination, and instill the love of learning. And here is one such teacher who possesses all such qualities. And can you guess who is that person? It is none other than Mrs. Amda, senior teacher in primary section and also HM in charge of primary section, with her valuable words to deliver a speech on this remarkable occasion. Mrs. Amuda, please.
Good afternoon to all of you gathered here. It gives me immense pleasure to be here to speak about this great day. We celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day in memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher for excellence and also one of the successful presidents of India. I would like to say Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quote here. If a country is to be corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are 3 key social members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. In this great occasion, I remember the great person, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, what dedication he owed to the students' community and the society. He is one among very few legends liked by every human beings across the world. So, it's our prime role that we should make our children into so many Radhakrishnans and so many Abdul Kalams. Dear teachers, what is the real wealth? The bank balance in our account? The costly jewels what we wear? The costly bungalow in the heart of the city? No. I can say the real wealth is the name and the fame we get in our absence from the students and society. This gives boundless happiness to us, whereas the other so-called wealth will be useful only to lead a luxurious life. Doesn't matter if you are not getting awards for your service, but getting place in the hundreds of thousand children's heart is equal to 1,000 awards. So, dear teachers, we are not working for only money to support our family alone, but the main motive of our job is doing service for the students' community. We are all not one-day celebrities. If we are good teachers in every young one's mind, we are celebrities forever. Teachers play a big role in shaping students. Our Prime Minister Modi ji says, "Mother gives birth, the Guru gives life." So, my humble submission in this forum is do service to the students' community, and students will make this world a heaven. So, the entire world will remain as heaven generation after generation.
So, Jai Hind. Thank you for making me what I am today. You made a wonderful difference in my life. These are all not my words, but spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings of Krishna Tejaswini from class 10, who is volunteered to deliver a speech on this red letter day. Krishna Tejaswini, please.
The teachers don't give you the answer. They spark within you that desire to find answer in yourself. A very happy Teachers' Day. This is SK Krishna Tejaswini from class 9A, and I am here to give a short speech on Teachers' Day. As we all know, we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day online. Let me take this opportunity to thank all our teachers who have been working very hard to teach us online, taking education to the next level. This year may have given us tough times, but our teachers have surely been a ray of hope. We all know that online classes has been a challenging one for each and every one of us. But our teachers are our lockdown mentors. They have supported us throughout and helped us to cope with online classes as well as online tests. This tough time, I could like to thank all our teachers in behalf of all our students for your unwavering support. Thank you for inspiring us, guiding us, and making us realize what we are today. The burning of midnight lamp. Many teachers were not used to PDF, PowerPoint presentation and YouTube videos. Even though they are not used to it, they are putting efforts to make our future bright. But why don't we think about this point? Yes, as we students, we should do cooperate with them and make happy them with our education. Last but not the least, I could like to wind up my speech with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quote. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Thank you to all my teachers who had always been my guiding light and supportive system. Thank you.
Krishna. It's an honor to have a personality like Mr. Lakshmi Narayanan as our principal. We are all delighted to have such an eligible person with such a good experience to monitor our school by taking additional charge. I, on behalf of the entire administration, faculty and student body, wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. Now, KV Gandhigram is eagerly waiting for your sweet speech. Sir, please.
Respected parents, my dear teachers, and my dear most students, at the very outset, I wish every of my faculty members a very happy Teachers' Day. On the occasion of this Teachers' Day, our team has decided to give you or come and ready to give you a program live in the YouTube channel. So you will be witnessing the participation from the various groups of 12th standard students and also the faculty members of Kendriya Vidyalaya Virudhunagar and Dindigul. So this occasion, every year we will be celebrating on September 5th, the Teachers' Day. The reason for which we are celebrating, I need not say that it is to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sarvapalli Dr. Sri Radhakrishnan, a great teacher, a great philosopher, and the first citizen of India, of course. So any day that we are celebrating in our nation to commemorate the birth anniversary of some great leaders. Similarly, the Teachers' Day is also celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of the great teacher Dr. Radhakrishnan. So this day is celebrated with some sort of message, some sort of introspection which is needed at various levels of the stakeholders in the field of education. I feel personally, at least on this day, that every one of us should spend some time over what we have been doing so far and what we are expected to do in the field of education in the coming years. Let me just convey the field in which the introspection is required by the stakeholders. First of all, the parents. We have been providing the education to the children. We all know that we give birth to the children and raise the children, and until they settle in their life, we are taking care of them. So this particular responsibility, being a parent, is a very, very big task. As a parent, we have to undertake. So to provide an education to the children as a parent is the initial task that we have to perform. The children need to be, first of all, trained in the field of their interest. Okay, always is a message from my side to all my parents that kindly give weightage to the child's field of interest. Okay, not only in the field of education, in the field of other areas also. You have to pay attention to their skills, you have to pay attention to their abilities, you have to pay attention to their talents. So all this and the field of interest, you must take care while providing the education required for your children. You may be having dream which is accomplished during your school days or during your career. That should never ever be thrusted upon the shoulders of your wards. Say, I wanted to become a doctor in my life, I could not become, so I will make my daughter or son to become a doctor. So when I develop a thought like this, definitely I will be pushing my desire, okay, over the shoulders of my children. So that is never ever be accepted. Actually, as a daughter, as a son, they also might be having their own vision, their own dream, their own things to execute, their own interest to execute. So as a parent, I request all my parents to please give weightage to the field of interest of your ward, which is very, very essential. Our dreams, unfulfilled dreams, should never ever be thrusted into the shoulder of our wards. Okay, this is my message on this occasion of Teachers' Day to all my parents. Okay, and never ever create a stress of the studies also among your wards. First, don't thrust your interest to them. Second, do not thrust on the shoulders of the stress, okay, to the young minds about the studies and performance, academic performance. I would like to quote one very important quote by Albert Einstein, who always used to say that education is not just a learning of facts. It is something to train your mind to think. Okay, so thinking, mind code, you have to train the mind for thinking. It means the creativity should be kindled. It is not, our brain is not a kind of a machine to store the information alone. So the education is not just storing up of the information. So that is wonderful quote by Albert Einstein, who always gave weightage to the creativity and originality of all our kids. And he wanted the education should be a training of mind to think and create something new. So as a parent, we are all expected to understand this fundamental aspect. So give weightage, due weightage for your words, your ward's ability and the skill and the field of interest. Then as students, students never look upon the teachers as a teaching machine. Okay, they are human beings from whom you can emulate all sorts of your future personalities. Most of your teacher personalities will be imbibed in you, okay, unknowingly. You will develop kind-hearted, unknowingly you will be becoming soft-spoken, unknowingly you will become very obedient. So all this is all happening because you watch your teacher, you observe your teacher, and one teacher or other teacher creates an influence in your mind all the time. So one important thing that you all like as students, teachers need to be very good, and every one of you like good teachers, isn't it? But shockingly, if I ask you a question that how many of you want to become a teacher, I will get a zero response. Okay, everyone want to have a good teacher, but none of them want to be a good teacher, to become a good teacher. So opt the teaching career. Okay, you can become a doctor, you can become an engineer, you can become anybody. Okay, but when you choose the profession of teaching, you create all these professions. You create students to choose all these professions. As a teacher, I created so many number of doctors. As a teacher, I created so many number of engineers. Okay, if at all I became an engineer or a doctor, I am one in the profession, but I am making many professionals. So that is the wonderful aspect of being a teacher. So amidst your teaching career dreams, I want you all to have one dream of becoming a very good teacher. Okay, and every one of you should end up becoming a good teacher, because this nation needs good teachers who shape up the young minds or younger generation, who will be the pillars of the nation in the future country. And of course, Teachers' Day is the Teachers' Day. So my message to my teachers is, this is a day for introspecting ourselves, that the element of dedication, the element of the belongingness, sense of belongingness with which we are working. So apart from teaching is never be looked upon like a profession, though it is a job. It is not a profession, it is a service. Because you are all been taking up the role of a science teacher, social science teacher, or language teacher, not only to teach these subjects. Okay, children watch you 24/7, they observe you 24/7, and they emulate lot of characters, lot of traits from you without you teaching them all. Okay, how sincere you are. Okay, coming to the school, the students are observing, and they emulate the habit of sincerity among them. So your regularity, your sincerity, your dedication, your sense of belongingness, your attachment, your compassion, your ability to deal with the people, kind-hearted, all this are informally observed by the kids and children, and they try to emulate in their life. Even as a teacher, as an adult now, most of us could remember some of our beautiful teachers, okay, wonderful teachers. And we also remember teachers who harassed us, okay, who tortured us, who, in fact, emulated our negative traits at that period of time. So we remember either plus as well as minus. We remember good teachers as well as we also remember bad teachers. Okay, so good teachers remain in our heart forever. You all know that. Now I can utter my LKG teacher. Okay, though I am almost 50 plus. So I could remember my teacher who taught me LKG or UKG. That personality is just imprinted in the mind. Okay, compassionate, very kind-hearted, very patient. Okay, all these qualities were adored, at that moment of time itself, and now it is still as a green memory. That teacher is in my mind. So, many of you might be having such wonderful experience with good teachers. So you must be one among them. See, being a teacher, you may be paid, salary and other things and all, but the real award that you get is after 20 years, after 25 years, after 30 years, one of your student come in the adult stage and come and introduce himself or herself and say that you are my teacher. That is the wonderful award. Okay, remembrance of people after decades is a wonderful award. Even our own distant relatives may not remember us. Okay, but as a teacher, you teach a child for a moment, maybe 1 year, 2 years, the child grow up, get married, get into a profession, become old, but still remembers you. So that is the wonderful award. That is only profession which gets this award is the teaching profession. So be proud to be a teacher and try to emulate the good qualities of teacher. Ajkal, that is what is required nowadays. teaching job anybody can obtain. But to become a teacher is a passion, okay, it's a service, it's a meditation. So only by meditating or following a service meditatingly, you can become a teacher. The teacher can, the word can be very much added to your shoulder only when you emulate the traits of a teacher. Okay, this is not a job of dealing with files and folders, my dear colleagues. This is a job which is dealing with the hearts and minds of young ones. So every one of us are expected to be very humane, at the same time a very good guide for the younger generation, which is not only learning the social studies, not only learning the language from us, which is learning the life from us. So that thing we have to keep it in our mind, that we are shaping the mind of a young mind, and so our role is very, very big one. And only by our compassionate dealing with the young minds and a dedicated service that we provide to the teaching job and teaching profession only can make us identifiable amidst many teachers in the world. Okay, so I request every one of you to swear yourself that you will improve better and better to reach the hallmark of the best in your profession. So I wish every one of you a very happy Teachers' Day, and have a wonderful day. I request all my students to be very grateful and express the gratitude to all your teachers in your life, throughout your life, until you settle in your career and then you settle in your life. So whoever teaches you should be remembered, and I hope every one of you will get a very good teacher as you are all getting now. So I wish my teaching fraternity and all others a very, very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. We hope that with your energy, enthusiasm and focus on education and learning, our school achieves greater excellence. Saying thank you is more than good manners. It is good spirituality. No duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. Here comes Mr. Chetan Ashtakar, a KV product cum KV teacher and energetic maths teacher of KV Gandhigram, to deliver vote of thanks. Sir, please.
No problem, sir. Respected Principal Sir, teachers and all the lovely children, a very good afternoon to all and a very happy Teachers' Day. Dear children, teachers are the role models to the young generation. Teacher touches the heart of every child. We too are motivated and inspired by our teachers. That is why we are here in front of you, dedicating and discharging our services. Dear children, I would like to give our first thanks to our lovely and respected Principal Sir, Mr. Lakshmi Narayan, who always been a continuous source of inspiration and who always guide and prepare us for all the challenges of a life in a positive way. I would also like to extend a vote of thanks to all the teachers who always stand by the students, guide them and motivate them. A big thank to all our beloved students who always listen to the teachers and cooperated with them. Finally, on the behalf of KV Gandhigram family, I would like to thank Principal Sir, teaching, non-teaching staff and all the students who took a great effort for making this day a memorable one. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Dear friends, it's my humble request to every one of you to stand up from the place where you are for national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय।